at a pivotal moment in public education. Students have lost ground in math and reading, further widening test score gaps by race and income. The pandemic has also created challenges to both student and teacher well-being. We are facing a shortage of teachers in our nation's classrooms, with a disproportionate impact on schools in low-income communities of color. But with your support, Breakthrough Collaborative is meeting this moment, addressing the teaching and learning crisis through our National Teaching Fellowship. As our nation's largest pre-professional teacher training program, Breakthrough provides college students real-world training, valuable leadership development, and an on-ramp into the teaching profession. Thanks to you, more than 800 teaching fellows last summer gained 100+ hours of in-classroom experience, training, and support through our paid field experience. While just 20% of public school teachers are people of color, 76% of our teaching fellows are college students of color, reflecting the growing diversity of our nation's classrooms. And after their time at Breakthrough, 3 out of 4 teaching fellows pursue careers in the education field, and more than half go on to become teachers. We are calling on you again to help us connect more young leaders with meaningful teaching experiences and pathways to the classroom. The average teacher will impact more than 3,000 students throughout the course of their career. Just imagine the number of lives our teaching fellows will impact with your support. You have the opportunity to provide the next generation of educators the strong start they need to enter and remain in the classroom.
I am hardworking. I am talented. I am loyal.
Last one, scream it out. I should hear everyone.
I am intelligent.
Yes, you are.
Help us meet this moment by investing today in tomorrow's teachers. Inspiring students, developing teachers. Together, we are Breakthrough.